This science-based chest workout delivers maximum muscle growth fast. Elevated push-ups are one of the best chest exercises you can do because they increase your range of motion, allowing your chest muscles to stretch deeper at the bottom of every repetition. Studies suggest that training through a greater range of motion can improve muscle growth by placing the muscle under more tension. Place your hands on push-up handles, parallecs, or two sturdy chairs slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, brace your core, and lower yourself slowly for 2 to 3 seconds until your chest drops below your hands. Press back up explosively while squeezing your chest at the top. Avoid flaring your elbows too wide or letting your hips sag. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps, stopping 1 to 2 reps before failure. Rest 60 to 90 seconds, and once they become easy, wear a weighted backpack to continue building muscle. Wide push-ups. Wide push-ups are excellent for increasing chest activation because the wider hand position places greater emphasis on horizontal shoulder reduction, the primary function of the chest muscles. Position your hands wider than shoulder width. Keep your core tight and maintain a straight body from head to heels. Lower yourself slowly until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up while actively squeezing your chest muscles together. Many people rush through this exercise or perform shallow repetitions, significantly reducing its effectiveness. Focus on quality rather than speed, and use a full range of motion on every repetition. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps, stopping just short of failure, and rest 60 seconds between sets. If the movement becomes too easy, wear a weighted backpack or slow the lowering phase to increase the challenge without needing extra equipment. Bar dips are one of the most effective body weight exercises for developing the lower and outer chest when performed with proper form. Lean your torso slightly forward, keep your elbows angled about 45 degrees from your body, and lower yourself until your upper arms are parallel to the floor before pressing back up. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Use a 2 to 3 second lowering phase, pause briefly at the bottom, and push up in 1 second. To maximize chest activation, keep your chest open and maintain a forward lean throughout the movement. Avoid staying too upright, flaring the elbows excessively, bouncing at the bottom, descending too deep, shrugging your shoulders, or using momentum. Controlled repetitions with a full range of motion will build chest size, strength, and definition while reducing unnecessary shoulder strain. Declined push-ups are excellent for targeting the upper chest. while also increasing overall chest strength and muscle definition. Place your feet on a bench or elevated surface, position your hands slightly wider than shoulder width, and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest slowly until it is just above the floor, then press back up while squeezing your chest muscles. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 20 reps, resting 45 to 75 seconds between sets. Lower your body in 2 to 3 seconds, pause briefly, and push up in 1 second. Common mistakes include letting the hips sag, raising the hips too high, using a partial range of motion, flaring the elbows excessively, or rushing the movement. Keep your core tight, shoulders stable, and focus on controlled reps to maximize upper chest activation. Archer push-ups are an advanced bodyweight exercise that overload one side of your chest at a time, making them an excellent progression once regular push-ups become too easy. Start with your hands much wider than shoulder width apart. As you lower yourself, bend one arm while the opposite arm stays nearly straight, allowing your chest to move toward the working hand. Push yourself back to the starting position and alternate sides on each repetition. Keep your hips level, your core braced, and lower yourself slowly over 2 to 3 seconds to maximize muscle tension. Avoid twisting your torso or relying on momentum, as both reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Perform 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps per side, stopping 1 to 2 reps before failure, and rest 90 seconds between sets. If full archer push-ups are too difficult, perform them with your hands elevated on a bench until you build up enough strength.
Found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content that actually gets results. Consistency beats everything, so stick to these exercises and track your progress. Drop a comment with your favorite shoulder move or what you want next.